Imagine this, my friend. What if someone tries to masturbate 100 times in a single day? Would he die? Or just pass out from exhaustion? Science says the human body has a limit. But what happens if you cross that limit by 100 times? Today, we'll explore what happens to your brain, hormones, and body if you ever attempt this insane challenge. And at the end, I'll reveal the ultimate question. How many times is actually safe? Let's start with the brain. Every time you masturbate, your brain releases dopamine, the chemical that makes you feel pleasure and reward. But when you repeat that action again and again, dopamine levels go sky high, and your brain literally gets overloaded. The reward system starts to malfunction. Pleasure turns into anxiety, guilt, and fatigue. After a certain point, your brain becomes numb to dopamine, meaning the more you do it, the less pleasure you actually feel. Now let's talk about your body. Once or twice, fine. But 100 times a day, that's total destruction. Each time you release, your body loses zinc, protein, and vital minerals. Repeatedly doing it causes dehydration, exhaustion, and muscle weakness. Your body starts to think it's in survival mode. Heart rate increases, blood pressure spikes, and fatigue takes over. And in extreme cases, it can even lead to painful swelling or infections. Excessive masturbation isn't just physical, it's psychological. Your brain can become addicted to the dopamine rush. You crave more pleasure, but end up feeling emptier every time. This leads to loss of focus, low confidence, and depression. According to studies, over-masturbation dulls your dopamine receptors, making it harder for you to feel happiness from normal life activities. You destroy your own ability to enjoy real pleasure. Scientifically speaking, doing it 100 times in 24 hours is nearly impossible. That means one release every 15 minutes. Your body simply can't produce that much energy, semen, or stamina. But if someone tries, it could cause severe dehydration, heart stress, or organ failure. So yes, technically, doing it that much could be fatal. So, the real question, how much is safe? Experts say for a healthy adult, 2 to 4 times per week is considered normal and harmless. Anything beyond that starts messing with your focus, energy, and hormones. Remember, pleasure is good only when it's in control. Balance is the real key. So, if doing it 100 times can literally destroy your body, and 4 times a week is totally normal, then what's the perfect number? The sweet spot where your brain stays happy, your body stays healthy, and your energy doesn't crash? Well, science actually has an answer. But that, my friend, is a topic for the next video. If you loved this crazy science breakdown, hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the bell icon so you don't miss when I reveal the perfect number your body can actually handle. Because trust me, you don't want to miss that one.